Hi there, Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. However you've gotten here and whatever your goals are, I invite you to reach out to us here at Universal, as we'd be more than happy to answer your questions as to what to do next. Just understand, all this information here on the website is meant to help you, but if you'd like just a quick answer, some quick information, give us a phone call. We'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. At the same time, we'd love to find out more about you, your background and experience, and what your goals are and how we may be able to help perhaps. But the other thing I would encourage you to do is fill out the form, and on the site with this form, identify the things that you would like to know about, and we'd be happy to send that information to you so that you can actually have that. In time, we'll also call and just see if there's anything more that we might be able to answer for you. Lastly, we can schedule an appointment, a convenient time that works best for you, to actually call and speak about you, your background experience, your goals, and how we might be able to assist. If nothing else, at least point you in the right direction. We look forward to either of these interactions and working with you, because accounting success, it is universal. So take care, have a great day, reach out to us, and we look forward to speaking with you directly.